Welcome to Swanberry Education, and I want to thank you for clicking the link and also for joining our community. So I'm going to walk you through the voltage funding, the impact voltage funding by Concordia University, how you can get $35,000 for your PhD for 4 years and $22,000 for next 2 years. I'll also be walking you through the training with Mr. Samuel Ajayi, who is a PhD student from Montreal that has secured over 300,000 Canadian dollars in research funding for the last 3 years. Okay, so let's this is what you'll be learning in this training. You'll find out what voltage funding is. You'll find out a little about Samuel, the step-by-step application process. Then also we'll give you some bonus strategy. So get ready to take notes and transform your academic journey. So let's dive in.
Hi everyone, my name is Samuel. I have been a recipient of over $300,000 scholarship over the past few years for my graduate studies. It didn't just start, I put in the effort, I got the scholarship, and it's been awesome. I got my PhD offer while I was in Nigeria, and in less than few hours after I submitted my application, I got a response. And today, I've accumulated over $300,000 of scholarship that has helped to shape my research. To let you know, I'm presently carrying out my research on cancer. And you know what the impact of cancer, even in the part of the world where I'm carrying it out. And today, I want to show you step-by-step guide on how I was able to secure a professor and how I was able to achieve all these scholarship within just these few years. Thank you for clicking the link. Yes, as you can see here, this is voltage recruitment. There's a voltage impact call roles at Concordia University for PhD and MSc students. As you've seen here, these are different supervisors having different projects they are working on presently, and they are actively recruiting students for this role. Look at Bruno Lee working on closing the water energy food loop. Same supervisor working on transforming Canadian cities. And can you see other professors also working on different fields? So now, let's just check out one or two of these professors. Let's see what they want and what they expect from each of the candidates they want to hire. Let's look at Bruno Lee. Here we have a detailed information on what Bruno Lee needs. Now, let's start with, is the supervisor here, Dr. Bruno Lee, and this is what he's working on presently, closing the water energy food loop, building integrated aquaponic greenhouses for all, from remote communities to metropolises. Now, that is not. Let's look at MSc scholarship is 28 Canadian dollars per year, 22,000 Canadian dollars per year for 2 years. And for PhD, is willing to give 35,000 Canadian dollars per year for 4 years. Now, you need to understand how this works. Like, this 35K per year is just your stipend. It's not because you are still going to use some money, like they are going to fund the research for you. Not that this is the money you want to use to fund the research. No, this one is just like extra money for you. So like this one now, if you calculate it for the next 4 years, 35 by 4, that's almost $140 for you for the next 4 years. And it doesn't stop there. You can still have access to some other scholarship that you can apply to by the time you take this offer or by the time you are able to get this offer. And aside that, they fund your project, do everything for you. Anything you want to buy, reagent, you want to buy this, you want to buy that, they give it to you. Sounds good, right? Now, these are the requirements. We have the role description. These are the requirements, and this is how to apply. Now, let's check another professor and then look at this professor. Oh, this one will need us to sign in. And look at, Caroline Achemvimet, PhD position available. Neighborhood Archetypes and Community Energy Systems under the same voltage project. Now, this is the candidate profile, what she wants. This is the key info, fully funded PhD. This one is just PhD, applied research, and is starting fall 2025, which is almost here in Montreal. This is to apply. This is how to apply. Email a single PDF to this. Now, interestingly, I know you may be confused on how to go about all this. I know, I understand, but we've put in a course that will actually help you to be able to understand what these professors or the supervisors are expecting from you, and a step-by-step guide on how you can go about them. If that is what you really want, then I invite you to take a look at the course. Since I started my PhD program, no hassle on how to pay for reagents, no hassle on paying for any material, just running my research, funded. I know this is what you want. I know you've been trying different ways of getting this. I know you've applied to different schools. I know you reached out to different professors, and you have not been getting any response. I want to tell you, you don't need to repeat the same thing you have been doing. You can't keep doing the same thing the same way and expect the same result. No. So, I understand this. I understand your struggle. That is why I have come out at this time to prepare a template that will actually help you to re-strategize on how you can reach out to professors, reach out to the university, get some funding, and get scholarship, just like me. And you also can have like an hassle-free research. You don't need to think of buying anything. You don't need to think of paying for any research, paying for anything. You are only working, and you are even getting paid while working, while carrying out the research that will progress your own career. If this is a worth you think you like, I've provided a course, having my templates. On how I was able to secure my own supervisor, I was able to secure my funding, and what has really helped me in my PhD journey.
So what are you waiting for? You've seen it. Take action now. DM the word grant on our Instagram. On any of our video on Instagram, just comment grant, and a link will be sent to you to watch, to get this particular course. And if you are already on the Telegram group of our free class, check the pinned comments, the pinned messages. Just check it. You will see the link to get this particular course. I am rooting for you. I want to see you here in Canada. Take action now.